Hi everybody! Okay, so now we're for Easter Centerpiece Part 2. So this one is going to be a little bit simpler for maybe more of a put together event. So again, we have the wooden cookie, which I like. Then we're going to use a bundle of moss on the bottom. And we just had some of this greenery. This is just a balloon string that we had around, but you can use anything.
Coil ribbon.
Coiled ribbon. So that goes in the top just to add color, because I don't have any colored moss. If you have some green moss or something, that might look nice too. Then we have a bunny, happy bunny. And the contrast in color is really nice. A nice silver one as well would be really good. Then, because I like to light everything up, we're going to light the bunny up.
Fireflies.
Then you're going to take a fishbowl, and you're going to turn it upside down. Oops. And not do that. There we go. And put the bunny in a fishbowl.
It's beautiful.
So it does look really nice.
Oh, beautiful.
And then to add some more lighting, take some of these nice pillar candles and put it around, and that brightens it up really nicely. Or you can remove a couple of those and accent it with some succulents. And then a whole nother option, if you wanted to add some more flowers, is to take some of these guys, which are purple too, purple sparklies, and just tuck it around the moss. Like that. Lots of different options for everything. Again, different colors, different arrangements. Purple is my favorite color, so that's why we're using purple today.
Thank you for watching Final Touch.